Hello everyone, so in this video we will be learning about Flexbox, okay, and we will be doing this by playing a game, okay. It's a frog game where there will be a frog and there will be a leaf, okay. So our task is to bring the right color frog on top of the right color leaf, okay. So if it's a red frog, we have to bring it on a red leaf. If it's a green frog, we have to bring it on a green leaf, and all this thing we will do by using CSS elements in Flex, and in the process we will learn Flexbox, okay. So let's jump right in. So hello everyone. So in this video we will see how we can learn Flexbox in a very easy way. Okay, so this is go to this website flexboxfroggy.com, and you can learn Flexbox by playing these games. So let's begin. Okay, so what's it saying is we have to bring this frog on top of this leaf. Okay, so that's the game. So if we give flex, if we give justify content, flex end, this should come over here. Okay, so display flex, and then the pond is this, so justify content, flex end, so it moves in here. Okay, let's go to the next challenge. There are, by the way, 24 levels. So this one will be justify content center, and that's it. So now it will be, so help all the frogs, okay, find their lily pads. Okay, so it's giving us suggestion that we have to use justify content, and then we have to give space between, we can give, but it will go at the sides. Okay, when you give space between it, this corner ones will take the extreme side, so give space around, which will give even spacing around them. Okay, and see, so the next one, so we have to give this space between. Okay, so earlier that one was not that in the corner, but this one is, so justify content space between. Okay, so now coming to this one, see, justify content for flex direction row is this. Okay, and align items is this. Okay, so by default is row, so this it align items will go this way, so align, we have to bring it at the bottom, right? So align items, and this will be flex end. Okay, so this will be flex center. Okay, so justify content flex center, see, it will uh, sorry, this will be center, so this will come at the center, and align items. Okay, so we have to vertically also center this, so align items center. Okay, now next one, so we have to, what it will be, it will be justify content, it will be space between or space around, so justify content space around, and at the bottom we have to bring this, so align items, and this will be flex end. Okay, now this one, see, the red is here, yellow is here, so if we do justify content flex end, what will happen, this is not the solution, because red one we need it here and green one we need it there. So first we will have to do something, okay, for that. So we will have to give flex direction. Flex direction, it will be row, okay, and then reverse. We want to reverse it, okay. So we have to reverse the row. So this one, if we, this one will be flex direction. Now it's teaching us to use flex direction. So flex direction will be column. So that's it, okay. Now things will get a bit difficult, not difficult, but yes. So flex direction, okay. So flex direction, what it will be, it will be row reverse. So it went there, but we have to bring it here. So how do I do that? Justify content. Okay. So see, flex direction row reverse. So it reversed from here, and justify content will be flex end. So it brought it here. So if it was row, not reverse, then the end would have been this side. But since it's reverse, the end is here. Okay. So now flex direction column, flex direction column, okay. But it has to now, what it has to be, it has to be align items, and align items will be flex end, okay. Okay, align items is giving that. Say why is that? Okay, because since the flex direction is column, so it's now, this is justify content. Vertical one is justify content. Okay, so you have to give here justify content flex direction. Okay, so now again let's give flex direction column. But see, green one we have to bring below. How do we do that? Reverse. Okay, but we have to bring it, we have to give space. So justify content, okay. See, vertical, it's justify content, so it's space around. But I think this will be space between, because it's the gap is less, okay. So it will be between, okay. Now this one, what it will be, we have to give flex direction, okay. So direction will be, flex direction will be row reverse, okay, because we need the red one here, okay. And then we have to give justify content, it will be center, and then we have to bring it at the bottom. So align items flex end, okay. Pretty cool, right? So now see, this one is like this. So we have, we, it's suggesting us sometimes reversing the row or column order of a container is not enough. In these cases, we can apply order. Okay. So in by default, all have a order of 0. Okay. So if we give, now we have to bring this yellow one here. So if we give a order of 1, so order 1. See what happens? Now this green one is 0, red one is 0, but since yellow one is 1, it moved to the right hand side. Okay. Now here again, so this order all is 0. So red, we have to, for red we have to give order. So order -1. Okay, so that will come to the left. So now this one, so it's align self. Okay, another property you can apply to individual is align self. So only to this yellow one we have to bring it down. So how do we do that? Align self, and we have to give what? Flex end. So it brought it there. Okay, So we are in level 17. So if we give if we give yellow one, how do we bring this yellow one over here at the right hand side? So if we give order to the yellow ones, a order of 1, uh, I don't know how these numbers came. Let me remove this. Order of 1, then the yellow one got more priority, it moved to the right, and now we can give align self, and that will be flex end. So it moved there. Okay, now this one, so it's teaching us flex wrap. The all the frogs are squeezed. Okay, so the frogs are squeezed, so we have to make it flexible. So how do we do that? So flex wrap, so we have three options: no wrap, wrap, and wrap reverse. So in this case, wrap. Okay, so see those got uh, inside this. Okay, it got aligned. Now, how do we see all the frogs are again squeezed? Okay, but we understand it will be vertical. So first we will give flex direction will be column, then justify. Okay, so then we will give flex wrap. Okay, since it's all squeezed up, so flex wrap, it will be wrap. Okay, so it got wrapped. Okay, again, now this one, see this one we can do with this also. Just now what we did, flex direction column and flex wrap wrap. This is done, but since it's saying the two properties are used very often together, okay, that's why there is something called flex flow. So rather than writing it two times, you can write flex flow and then column and wrap. Okay, so both it serves a single purpose. Okay, now coming to the 21st level. Okay, so what happens is with align content. Okay, align content, we align items. See we might get confused with align content and align items, so it's saying this can be confusing, but align content determines the spaces between lines. Okay, the space, we need to reduce the space between lines. For that, align content, while align items determine how the items as a whole are aligned within the container. Okay, so if we give align content and we give flex start, it comes over here. Okay, now we can give align content flex and it will come at the bottom. Okay, now we understand we have to make it vertical. So what will be it? It will be flex direction will be column. Okay, now we have to reverse it. See, red is at the top, so column reverse. Okay, and justify content. Okay, it will be centered. Okay, so no. Okay, so what is it? Align content. Okay, so justify content center is not working. Why? Because it's for the entire thing, it is bringing to center, but to reduce the space, last time we used align content. Okay, so align content center, that should bring it. Okay, so in order to reduce the space between this, you have to use align content. Okay, so now this last one, it might look challenging because this yellow is here. So let's give it a try. So flex direction, we give column it brings it here. Okay, but this red one is the at the top, we want it at the bottom, so column reverse. Okay, column reverse. Now we understand that these are squeezed, not evenly spaced, so justify content, and or we we have to use flex wrap, so flex wrap will be wrap. So this got wrapped. Okay, now we have to reverse this, because yellow has to be this side, so wrap reverse. So it got here. Okay, and this got here, so this is done. Now this one, so align item center. Okay, so align content center. Okay, so this got both in center. So what we do, just we can use order. Okay, green this one, and this one we have to bring at the center, so justify content center. Okay, so this got at the center, great. Now how do we bring this at the left, so align content, and we give space between. Okay, so if we give align content space between, like in earlier tutorial, we can bring a gap between two lines, so that's how I got it here. And justify content center brought this at the center, so we are done. Okay, so hope you like this video, so thanks for watching. Bye.